Oh god. Ariana girl, how'd you do this? What's up, DIY babes? Oh my god, so I currently have Zipper Galaxy on my face because I just finished filming episode 7 of DIY Master, and by the time you're watching this, that would have gone live on Sunday, so if you haven't seen that, click around in the down bar and I'll have a link for that down there. So it is Wednesday and I'm actually filming this while you guys are watching last week's vlog, so a little bit of vlogception, I don't really know. Anyways, I just want to show you guys what I just spent my last hour doing. Yeah, so I have a zipper on my face and yeah, I know. Basically, I needed a little bit more time for prep for the Halloween series for costumes. And so I was like, oh my gosh, beauty gurus are freaking killing it for Halloween stuff. And I was like, I should attempt to do like a face costume, like a makeup look tutorial. Here we are. Let me know what you guys think. Go to the video, let me know if I nailed it or failed it, because honestly, you know what? It's 1,000 times better than I thought it was gonna be. But yeah, time to peel this bad boy off. I've got like, oh, ow, ow, ow. Pain, ow, oh. Thought that was gonna feel satisfying, but it kind of just felt painful. All right, well, I'm gonna go remove the Galaxy off my face. I will probably see you guys tomorrow. I don't really have a lot going on today, so I just wanted to hop on and show you guys my Galaxy zipper face. But I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hi guys, and happy Sunday. We are having a little fall snack gathering today at Tiffany's house. I'm so excited. She's also starting the keto diet tomorrow, so she about to pig out. I really have no excuse, but we about to go in on some snacks. And also, I just uploaded DIY Master episode 7 today, where I tried that zipper face. That would have been the last clip right before that. So if you haven't seen that, that'll be linked in the down bar below. Guys, look at this spread. Okay, healthy
This
entree.
This is what we need.
And wha-bam. Oh my god. Wait, is that the pumpkin one? That's the pumpkin one, that's the regular one. I'm gonna go for like maybe one of each. That sounds good. That's the move right there. Zoe, are you kidding? Look at her push off of Andre right now. What are you doing? This dog is, you sound like a gremlin, Zoe. You're like the cutest gremlin I've ever seen, but you sound like a gremlin. Oh, you would be great friends with Moose. You would do great with Moose. I think you'd probably beat Moose up, to be honest. Oh my gosh, hi. I feel like Halloween right now is just like 24/7. Every time I hop on the vlog, like every other time, I'm gonna have something weird on my face. So you probably already know what this costume is. I'm about to get the bathtub. I bought some bath bombs that I think are gonna be ish the same color as the music video from God is a Woman, so we'll see. Also, just like, what is this attempt at Ariana Grande makeup? And I'm sad because this is a little more like bluey than I thought it was gonna be. It was supposed to be more like purpley to match like the purple down here, but Amazon, what you gonna do? So anyway, this is the 4th costume we're shooting today for the Halloween video going up this Sunday. So we're already done 3, this is the last one, obviously, because I have to like basically submerge myself in water, and because my face is purple. So we'll see how it goes. Also, if it doesn't turn out quite right, there's always a little bit of magic of Photoshop, but I'm super excited to see how it turns out. Also, our girl Ariana's hair is the opposite of mine, and so because it has to be my left side, my hair does not go this way, and I feel like I look super weird, and there is so much hairspray happening right here.
It looks pretty good though.
Hopefully. We got Matt, we got 2 different, we got a squatty potty and a stool. We're about to put the bath bombs into the bathtub, and it's about to go down. Okay, so apparently there's blue on the inside. Okay, do your thing. Oh yeah, there's definitely blue, I see it. Okay, so we're hoping for like a purpley color, but again, Photoshop is your friend, you know, for the photos, it doesn't work out. Wow, it looks like an amoeba. Whoa, it gets so fat. I feel like I've never watched a bath bomb do its thing when I'm like not in the bathtub. This is a whole new angle. I went a little bath bomb crazy, I put all 4 in and it's doing its thing. It looks so good. Lush, you are my Lord and Savior. Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. Also, that's totally the color that we're going for, so we got it. Here we go, we got 1 shot. We also have realized this is gonna soak up really fast, so we literally have like
2 seconds.
2 seconds. Oh god. Ariana girl, how'd you do this? My stomach is growling so much. Okay, so this is gonna go up.
Barely. No, her face is not in the water.
We're committing.
Just commit.
This one is up here.
Yeah. You gotta go. You gotta sink yourself in more.
Okay, there we go.
You're like half out. You gotta get
more?
it. You gotta get in there.
But the body, do we think the paint will stay?
Right? You have to get in a little bit.
Oh, we in.
Oh, you are.
We in. Did you know what the issue is? The bath bomb is so slippy. Oh god, I'm so slippy right now. 4 bath bombs was the worst idea.
There, perfect.
Yeah,
Oh, God.
you're pretty much laying that.
Okay, do it.
Right?
Ooh.
Oh my god, you have no idea. My neck and my abs right now are crying.
Hi guys, and happy Tuesday. I am at my second home, aka Target. Lana and I are doing a late night Target trip because I need a bunch of random things. And my craft kits have officially launched at Target and I haven't found them yet. Fingers crossed. I'm not entirely sure if they're at 100% of stores, but this is a big one. So I'm super hoping that I can find them. Also, your girl got no makeup on, your girl breaking out, but your girl did get her lashes done today. And they look so good, but they're not focusing, so you'll never be able to see them in their full beauty and entirety. Oh my god, my whole head doesn't even fit in the frame. Oh god. Oh, you know what? I didn't even think about how many people's heads have probably been in here, but if all else fails and I can't find a costume, we're coming back with a unicorn. Oh my god, this is just such a representation of 2018. Being an avocado for Halloween. Honestly, last minute. Whoa, it's got two sides! Oh, I kind of hate that it's got like a realistic texture. Should I put it on? I feel like this is very easy to try on. It took me about 4 seconds to transform into an avocado, but I kind of just feel like I'm back in the 24 hours pregnant challenge. Like, this is, you know, very not that stuff, but it's just having a little avocado pit belly. That's actually such an uncomfortable thing to be like, touch my pit. It's so uncomfortable. Stop laughing at me, Lana. Sad, so sad, so sad, so sad, so sad. It's not here. I think all the stores maybe haven't been set yet, but I'm pretty sure this is aisle that's gonna be in when it does drop within the next few days, and I'm so excited. Okay, so like half of this is Lana's. Let me just put that out there. But that's definitely mine. There's a whole cute little display here. Oh my gosh, guys, I didn't even show you. I got like the entire backyard ripped up today because we gonna make it cute and it's gonna be so cute. So I'll show you guys tomorrow once it gets, oh wait, no, the vlog is ending tonight. JK. Okay, so stand by for backyard renovations in next week's vlog. I feel like it's definitely time for an impromptu Target haul. I'm really excited to buy my products. It's like the DIY kits that you guys have seen. There's 2 new ones that are exclusive to Target, but I'm going to Target next week to specifically vlog, so they'll definitely have it then, but I'm so excited for you guys to see the launch. Okay, mini Target haul. Mia's Yo Tippy Tappies. You know what? I actually was looking for a dog costume at Target and it was real picked over. And what? It's like October 8, 9. It's early October and there were no dog costumes and I was very disappointed, but we will stay on the hunt. We'll stay looking. There was a really cute hot dog, but it was like a little bit too big. And I think we can do a little bit better than that. Okay, Target haul. Let's do it. Spaghetti, because I love carbs and my favorite comfort food to make, it's like the only thing that I actually cook, is plain spaghetti with butter and Parmesan cheese. It's a major MasterChef material. I got 2 boxes of KD mac and cheese. Cool, so the only foods I got were carbs. That's pretty on brand for me. Also, guys, all my friends right now are on extremely restrictive diets and it's kind of killing my soul a little bit. Tiff is officially ketogenic diet. Mia is vegan. Remy is just hell. And here I am with my craft dinner and my spaghetti and Parmesan cheese. This is the other thing I got that I'm gonna eat as soon as I finish filming this. Okay, moving on to funner things. I got a bomb new outdoor dining table. Guys, I am so excited for the next vlog to show you guys the freaking makeover that I have done in the backyard. I had every single plant pulled and there's so much new stuff that you guys haven't seen yet. So anyways, I bought some really cute decor to go on top of the table because I'm like trying to be an adult. We'll see how it goes, but it's also like cool and adulty and it's like not throwing up color, which is normally what I go for. I tried to make it like a little grown up. So what happened was that I found this really cool, okay, macaroni and cheese, you need to relocate. So what happened was I found this really cool like woven tray and I was like, wait, this is a perfect centerpiece. Ooh, this is a perfect centerpiece. This is a perfect centerpiece. I'm 5. So I found this and I was like, ooh, what can I put together to make it look cute? So then I got 3 different things here. This one first is a little fake glass terrarium. And then this other gold base fake plant. And I remember watching a Mr. Kate video where she said that like the cheap ones turn blue. So we'll see how she holds up outside. And then this really cute little vase jar. And I got these leaves to go inside of it. I'm gonna trim them down a little bit so they're all different heights because these are real long, but it's gonna be really cute. I'm super excited. And I got a table runner, which is the most boring adult thing that I could probably buy in the entire world. It's kind of a cream color and I'm a little concerned that the dirt of the world may soil it, but we'll see how she does. Moving on, I got this little massage ball and this is actually the only thing that I actually went to Target to get because I've been having back pain and I feel like I just gotta roll my nuts out, or maybe just get a massage, or maybe just go to the doctor. And then I I got some band-aids, and these are the Oh Joy ones, the collaboration that they did, and they're so cute. I actually saw a bunch of comments in one of the DIY videos that I recently did, and someone was like, wow, even her band-aids are cute. I have never felt more honored in my entire life. And then I got a few photo props, because if you guys haven't followed at Shop LAUR, what are you doing though? So I've been taking lots of photos for the Shop LAUR Instagram, so I just picked up some cute little props. This has some like llama stickers, some confetti, and then just some fun like party supplies that always look cute in Instagram photos. I am gonna be doing a huge giveaway on Shop LAUR, the Instagram account, so make sure you're following, because I am giving away just like your entire life supply of craft supplies from my line, and I'm super excited. So make sure you follow me on my Instagram and the Shop LAUR Instagram, because I think that'll be coming out this week. And then the last thing I got was this giant planter. Oh my god, it's ceramic. It's ceramic and like a wood bottom, and it's really cute, but it was kind of expensive, and I definitely did not expect it to be this heavy and like substantial, but I'm stoked on it. There's a plant that hasn't had a planter since I've moved in, so I figured that it was time. Melissa, you want to come and okay, end the vlog with me? Hi. Hi. Hi, Tinky. Moose, I feel like this is not a good angle for my under eye circles, but because you're cute, we'll go with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's vlog. I am so excited for the Halloween series to officially start this weekend with costumes. I am so stoked. So I know that Ariana Grande was kind of a hot mess in the vlog, but okay, all right, okay, Mias, okay. But the photos turned out so freaking good. So I think I'm gonna post the Ariana photo on Sunday when the video goes live. Okay, Mias. So Halloween costumes officially starting. I'm filming my Disney costume video this week to go up the following weekend, and I'm so excited. Let me know if you guys want one more video the weekend right before Halloween. I think it's like the 28th, the 27th, because I'm not really sure when people are celebrating, because Halloween's on a Wednesday, so it's like, are you celebrating on Wednesday or are you celebrating on the weekend? So I don't know if that Sunday will be too late for another costume video. So let me know what you guys are thinking. Moose, you look like you have no ears. You don't even look like a dog right now. You look like an egg. You look like the cutest egg I've ever seen, but you look 100% like, oh, there's an ear.
How could this happen to me?
So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I will see you guys on Sunday for Halloween, and again on Wednesday for another weekly vlog. Okay, bye guys, love you.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the streets.